Hello, hello, hello. 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 Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, am I audible? Okay, so let's get started with it. Today we are gonna be creating a project. So the project will be uh, like here I have created I will show you I have created index file. The project name is a drop animation. Let's get started with it. First we will emit code and I will be drop animation, then add the link tag. Yeah, we'll use style. Let's just create this files style.css yes scrf script.js. Okay, let's then attach this file link.css style.css, and here see our repeat script. Third option, source. In source we are going to script.js. Okay, so this should be our file connection. Next step is start of the project. So first we are gonna build this. It's pretty easy project, and first we are gonna build a body tag, and we are gonna add a class container. So class container, that's it for the HTML. There is nothing more. It's a pretty basic project. Now for the style part, let's start with the universal selector, margin, padding, margin 0, padding 0, body. Let's just select body tag, and so basically what we are going to do is we are going to preview. Oh wait, I will just okay. So drop animation. Now let's write the style tag. First body, we are gonna give the background color to yellow green, Okay, then what yeah, if we are gonna move the color yellow green, then we are just gonna give and wait a minute. I think my PC is lagging. We just fixed it. To tell you more about the project, it's a pretty basic project. Let's build it with me. I don't have any issue. Sometimes this PC just lags so much. Mm, yeah, done, all done. Wait a minute, 1 second. The reason for hiding this is because I'm sharing some sensitive information about my work, so I don't want them to be like. So where are we now? What we are gonna do is we are gonna create element named drop. So basically we are just gonna write the css for it without it creating in the html file, and we can just add class list. We can use just add class list in javascript so that we can add the drop animation. Okay, so the drop it is what we want is what dot drop. Let's go with height 5m. Let's go with height 5m, width 5m, border travel border 4 pixel, solid black. Then border radius should be 20%, 10%, 10%. Then animation, we are going to use animation name animate, but before the transition what's the property we are going to use? Let's use it 5-second linear, 5-second linear. Next we are going to get 3 keyframes. Okay, keyframes. So here we are going to write animate, and let's start with 0%. So 0% in, let's first get all the percentage, so it will be easy. Then 25%, then 50%, 50%, then 100%. So this much logic I have written. So we want at 1% opacity should be 1, and it should be transform to scale. Let's take 2. Okay, and up at 25% we want its border radius to be like, we want its border radius to be pretty much round. So border radius 25%. That's it for this. And at 50% we want its opacity to be like 0.5, and we want transform scale to like 3, and border radius let's take 35%, 35%, 35%, and basic again opacity we want it to be 1. Again transform scale, now we want here scale 4, border radius, let's take it 70, no, 80%, 80%. What we gonna do is we are gonna just add this. Actually I have written this code somewhere. Let me just check if I am writing the right logic or not. Here it is. Okay. style.css. Just drop animation. Okay. Okay, 5-second linear position absolute 456 solid RGB 255. Okay. This property is only remaining. Okay. So opacity is 1, opacity transform scale background color. Okay. It's not that much. Drop animation style. Okay. So yes, this is the transition of this animate 5 seconds linear and position absolute. Just give the background color like you can use anyone using this color red. Nothing will show here because we are writing the element for drop, but we haven't declared in the index.html. We are gonna direct declare it in the JS file using class headlist. So I think we are good to go. Now let's start with the JS. First of all, create a constant variable, body element, document dot query selector, class container. Let me just class. Okay. It's done. Now we are going to create constant drop. Drop function drop. Okay, function drop we have to create. Then we have to create span element we want to create. After span element, class list. Okay. Constant drop functions will drop element span class list constant drop is equal to document dot get element span. Okay, so this means we can function the drop. Now when drop you have to constant drop is equal to document dot create element in which we will span and we will drop dot class list dot add and we are going to element drop element. So we are to top dot style dot top math dot random. Again I forgot math dot random type of thing. After math dot random we have to generate its left top animation. So plus random into what its id I think inner height plus we want it into a pixel so same goes for this, but in this case we have to change it to left. And after that then we have to set timeout. um, Set timeout to we have to run this time by time. That's why we are selecting drop dot remove, and then we have to just append child. Append append child drop. Append no, no. Child drop. Set interval. Work, why it hasn't working? Something wrong in my code. I think it's just drop, not dot drop. Let me check if something wrong with my drop. Drop query selector. Container is not defined. Container is not defined. Crop. Container is not defined. So uh, basic. Interactive. Oh. Oh no. The background color also maybe. So our project is pretty much complete. Thank you for joining.